Imagine a billion people all over the world jumping at the exact same time. What would happen? Earthquake? Would you break physics? Would your annoying neighbor finally fly off the planet? Let's find out. Because this may sound like a joke, but the science is real, and the consequences are crazier than you think. First, we gather all 8 billion humans. Yes, even that one guy who still uses a flip phone. Everyone is standing shoulder to shoulder on one massive patch of land. Good luck fitting us. We would need a space the size of Los Angeles. Everyone is silent, waiting, then jump. The jump lasts about 0.3 seconds. Gravity pulls us back instantly. So, did anything happen? Well, kind of. The Earth it barely noticed. We are talking about a massive rock weighing 6 sextillion tons. You jumping is like a mosquito hitting a moving truck. So no, Earth does not budge. But the air around us? That is where it gets wild. 8 billion people slamming down at once would create a shockwave. Like a giant boom heard around the world. Windows could shatter, birds would panic, and somewhere a cat would just nope out of existence. Now imagine the ground. If we all jumped on concrete, nothing. But soft soil, fields, you would see a ripple, a literal earthquake-level thud. Sensors might think a bomb went off. Buildings, most would be fine, unless you were inside a poorly built structure in a shaky region. Then, good luck. But here's the twist, that single jump is nothing. But what if we kept doing it? Every 10 seconds, 8 billion jumps, again and again. Now Earth starts feeling it. Not like spinning off its axis, but the crust. Yeah, it would not like that. Stress could build up near fault lines. Tectonic plates would get angry, and then kaboom! Earthquakes, volcanoes, literal planetary revenge. But here is where it gets funny. What if one person was offbeat? That one dude in Canada who jumps a second too late. Boom! Chain reaction broken. We all just wasted our time because Todd was slow. Thanks a lot, Todd. Also, you know those conspiracy theories about how sound waves and vibrations can open portals? Well, if they were right, this is exactly how we summon the ancient sleep demons or wake up Cthulhu from his underwater nap. So what actually happens? Earth survives. Barely a scratch. But we might break a few windows, terrify wildlife, and give seismologists a heart attack. And for one glorious moment, we were united. Not by war, not by politics, but by the greatest synchronized group jump in history. And Todd's still messing it up. Wanna try it? Smash that like button at the count of 3. 1, 2, just kidding. Subscribe to FactWarp for more ridiculous what-if disasters that might secretly be genius.